In this video, I'm going to just work out one integration problem. For my students, it seems to be a little bit tricky, a little bit difficult for most of my students to grasp this, so I thought I would focus on the technique or a pretty nice way to integrate this type of problem right here. Okay, so you've got, an x to the third minus 6x minus 20 all over an x plus 5. All right, and that looks like it's pretty nasty there to begin with. So you wouldn't necessarily want to use long division to try to simplify this, but you might attempt synthetic division. That's going to be a little bit easier to do, and then it's just going to simplify this original function. Okay, so let's put a little note on here. Let's put simplify using, and then we'll abbreviate synthetic division here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right here. Okay, so I'm dividing by that x plus 5, so then I'll put a negative 5 in my little box there. When I write the coefficients, we're not going to want to forget that x squared term, so I'll have a coefficient of 1 right there, the missing x squared term, and then the negative 6 and the negative 20. Okay, refresher here to make sure that we all remember how to do synthetic division. The 1 comes down, 1 times negative 5 is going to give me a negative 5, add going down. Negative 5 times negative 5 gives me a 25, add going down, it's going to give me a 19. 19 times negative 5 will be negative 95, and then add going down, I get a negative 115. Alright, now what that does is that tells me how I can write the quotient here. Okay, this is always the remainder. Alright, this is your number, this is your x term, this is your x squared term coefficient. So this would be an x squared minus a 5x plus a 19. Now we're going to want to write that as the remainder over what you divided by, so minus 115 over that x plus 5. Okay, so that right there is what I get when I divide that out. Okay, now that's what I'm going to want to integrate here. So let's go to integrating that and set that up here. So I'm going to have the integral of x squared minus 5x plus 19 minus that 115 over the x plus 5. Okay, now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to separate this into two separate integrals, because this one is going to integrate like normal, and then this one I'm going to have to use my integral of 1 over x dx formula to be able to work this one out. Okay, so let's write it as two separate integrals. The integral of x squared minus 5x plus 19 dx, alright, and then minus, alright, the integral of 115 over x plus 5 dx. Okay, now let's come up here. I'm running out of room. Now integrating this, I can integrate this right away. This is just straight nice polynomial curve right here, so let's go ahead and integrate that side. So integrating that x squared, I would have a 1/3 x to the third. Integrating the minus 5x, I'm going to have a minus 5 halves x squared, and then plus a 19x. So that was pretty straightforward right there. Now when I go to integrate this, okay, we're going to have to use a u substitution. So let's go ahead and write minus, and then 115 over x plus 5 dx. Okay, now this is going to stay the same all the way down. Alright, this is going to get a little messy here. I'm going to have to do it right here. So let's go to another color so that it kind of stands out. Alright, so I'm going to let my u be the denominator, the x plus 5. Alright, so if I take the derivative of both sides here, I'll have a du, and then derivative of that's going to be 1 dx. Okay, so du equals dx right there. So now on this, if I do some substituting in, I will be integrating 115 over u du. Alright, let's pull out that 115 because it's constant. So 115 times the integral of 1 over u du. Okay, now we have a formula for that. That is the natural log of the absolute value of u. So then I'd have 115 natural log of u plus c, and then replacing my u with what I let it be, 115 natural log absolute value x plus 5, and then plus a c there on the end. Okay, so now that I have calculated that integral right there. Now I can substitute that in. Okay, so let's go back and write this whole entire thing. This stays the same, so 1/3 x to the third minus a 5/2 x squared plus the 19x. All right, now let's put that part in there, minus 115 natural log absolute value x plus 5, and then a plus c on the whole entire end thing there. So as a final answer, that right there. But you've got to remember that, you know, dealing with this is going to be that using that formula that you know for the integral of 1 over u du. Okay, so actually just seems to be kind of a tricky problem for my students because they forget to take this and use synthetic division and break that down into something that's a little bit easier to integrate. So definitely thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.